Jeffrey Wolford in the 17 machine. The 8R is going to be the game. Robert Ray Roberts, triple R out there in that 8R. The green and black machine down the back straightaway. The 84B of Justin Elliott and the 84C of Matthew Light. Got timing and scoring back up there here now with the legend cars out. Got the 18 of Quade Schoonover out there, the 10 of Camden Watkins, the 47 of Scott Martin, and the 94 of Randall Klein. To the top of the board goes Camden Watkins with a 16.10. Quaid scoot over with a 16.39. Scott Martin with a 16.86. Camden Watkins going to better himself that time by with a 16.04. Street stocks, you're on deck after the super late models, and you start strapping into your vehicles. Camden Watkins still sitting at the top of the charts with a 16.04. Street stocks next out for hot laps here. The 47 machine of George Pierce out there. The 18, last week's feature winner, Trent Salango. And the 18, the 40 machine. That's going to be Patrick Cox in the number 3 of Tyler Meadows. Heated battle going on. And the points chase here in this division. 2 points separating that number 3 and the number 18 as they head into double points next week. Only a handful of races left here in the points championship as it closes in. Should be a great battle as each and every week these guys steal the show in this division. Green flag is out. Hot lap session number 1 for the Bud Light Street Stocks. Trent Salango with a 15.19. Patrick's coming around for his lap 1. It's going to be an 18.53. 15.84 for Tyler Meadows. George Pierce with a 16.14. 15.07 for Trenton Salango. Tyler Meadows out of turn 4 for his final lap here in hot laps. Not going to do any better with a 16.03. George Pierce going to rely on that 16.14. These guys will be out here a little bit later on this evening for their heat races. Two machine out there of Donald McMillion, the 240, Wayne Collins. The 10 machine of Gary Chappell. Tommy Blankenship in the 15 machine. Green flag is out for hot lap session number 2 for the Bud Light Street Stocks. That one does not sound healthy at all. Popcorn machine down the front straightaway. I believe that's the 15 machine of Tommy Blankenship. Donald McMillion cracking into the top three with a 16.13.